Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming Esim compatibility and getting the activation info from your carrier. This matters because the phone needs carrier data to provision the profile. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Esim. Scanning the QR or choosing the carrier app starts provisioning immediately. Make sure cellular and Wi-Fi are on so the phone can contact the carrier server. If prompted, enter the activation code precisely and accept any carrier terms to continue the automated setup. Once the Esim downloads, you need to configure how the new line behaves. Label it so you don't confuse numbers, then choose which line is for cellular data, voice, and iMessage. You do this in cellular plans, select the plan and tap Label, then default voice line or cellular data. Make sure you choose the correct network mode, LTE or 5G, matching your plan. Enabling data roaming only if your plan supports it prevents surprise charges. Finally, sign in to any carrier accounts if you finish by testing. Place a call, send a text, and load a web page to confirm service. Then set iMessage and FaceTime to the correct number under Messages and FaceTime settings so contacts show properly. If everything works, you can remove a physical SIM or keep both. Make sure billing reflects the new line. If activation fails, try toggling airplane mode, restart the iPhone, and reinstall the Esim profile or contact the carrier for a reissue. That usually resolves provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.